こんにちは。Welcome to FURI FURI Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make Mayu black garlic oil for ramen. This special black garlic oil called Mayu in Japan is made from charred garlic and serves as a condiment commonly used as a finishing touch for ramen. On its own, Mayu presents a bitter burnt garlic taste, but once it's added to ramen, it magically transforms into a smoky, deep, and earthy flavor, adding a new layer of complexity to the broth. It's especially great with creamy tonkotsu-style ramen, but even if you are making a quick bowl of instant ramen noodles, a splash of Mayu can elevate their flavor. Okay, let's get started. Sheena wants to try the Mayu for both creamy ramen and instant ramen, so she's making an amount that can be used for several servings. Slice 4 cloves of garlic into thin slices. Place the garlic slices and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a frying pan. Turn the heat to medium-low and fry the garlic until golden brown. Flip and stir occasionally to fry all the sides. Take out half of the garlic slices from the frying pan and drain on kitchen paper. Turn the heat to low and continue to cook until the garlic turns black for about 9 to 10 minutes. It's so smoky and the garlic stinks, but let's enjoy it for the sake of a delicious meal. Take out the garlic and drain on kitchen paper. Leave the oil in a frying pan until it cools down. I fry the garlic in 2 stages to prevent an overly bitter taste in the Mayu. Also, cooking the garlic slowly is important to developing its nice and complex flavor. Transfer the garlic to a pestle and mortar and grind it into a paste. Add the remaining oil from the frying pan and add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then mix. The Mayu black garlic oil is done. Now, cook vegan creamy ramen. Sheena prepared some toppings for the ramen. Lightly stir-fry a handful of bean sprouts and season with salt and white pepper. Finely slice 1 spring onion. Slice 2 shiitake mushrooms and stir-fry. Season with salt and white pepper. Prepare some salad leaves. A couple of slices of mild red chilli pepper and a piece of nori seaweed. I've previously shared a video on how to cook vegan creamy ramen a few weeks ago, so I'll quickly summarize it here. Mince half a spring onion, about 10 grams. Grate 1 clove of garlic and a little piece of ginger, about half a teaspoon. Place 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add the spring onion, grated garlic and ginger. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir-fry until fragrant. Add 100 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of sake and simmer for 2 minutes to allow the alcohol from the sake to evaporate. Add 300 ml of unsweetened oat milk. Heat until just before it boils over medium heat, and then reduce the heat to low. Add half a cube of vegetable stock. If you use a small cube like OXO, use 1 cube. And dissolve. Add half a tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of white miso paste and dissolve. Add a pinch of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. The broth is done. Cook 1 portion of ramen noodles according to the package instructions and drain well. Pour the broth into a ramen bowl. Add the cooked ramen noodles. Arrange the toppings on top and sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. The vegan creamy ramen is ready. Now, drizzle some Mayu black garlic oil. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said it's great, and now she wants to try the Mayu with instant ramen noodles. Cook a pack of instant ramen noodles according to the package instructions. I think a light flavored soup pair well with the Mayu garlic black oil. Arrange some toppings on the ramen if you want, and drizzle with the Mayu black garlic oil. Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this black garlic oil instantly adds a distinctive and unique flavor to ramen. It magically transforms into a deep, rich and complex profile, elevating the overall taste experience. It's a great way to dress up ramen. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね